On today's video, I'll be opening the Omega NC800 juicer. I'm just going to fast forward through this video and then I'll go over each part individually. On the back is the on reverse button. So the first thing you get is a user manual, which has a few recipes in it. There's a pusher, which helps push the food through, especially leafy greens. This opening is approximately 1 3/4 inch by 1.5 inch. It comes with 3 different pasta nozzles. A breadstick nozzle, a blank end cap, an adjustable end cap, which is really the main one I'll be using for juicing. Turn this lever to remove the auger assembly, and to remove the nozzles in the front, just twist to the right and pull forward. Then you could also remove the cone and the auger. It comes with 2 cones, a blank cone and a juicing screen cone. It comes with a cleaning brush, which looks a lot like a regular toothbrush. This is the juice container. And a pulp container. I wanted to see how much liquid the juice container could hold. The juice container holds about 40 fluid ounces. The overall height is around 13 inches in case you're looking to store this on a shelf or in a cabinet. The base weight alone is around 11 pounds, 7 ounces. The front auger assembly setup for juicing is just around 1 pound, 11 ounces. In my next video, I'll show you how this juicer works. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.